Hey, have they? Oh my gosh. So this is Michelle Chalice, and who are we with?
We're with Avni. Hi.
With Avni for Easy-Peasy in step 5. And what did you just find, Avni?
I think I just found a sprout. Am I right about that?
You know, you did find a sprout, and this light is really hard to see. We've got the western exposure, but that is a little baby tree. It is not a pea yet.
My.
However, it is a sprout, and if we look along here in this funky light, do we see anything else?
I don't know. Let's check up here. I don't think so.
This is step 5 is the 5 W's, and we were just talking about what one of those W's
There's a
was.
sprout here
Let's see.
and
Find it?
one over here. I don't
Yeah,
know what
those
that
are
is.
not peas yet. Peas are going to be really tight, and they're going to be kind of thickish looking.
All right.
So what was one of the W's that you were talking about?
Watering
Yep.
was one of them, and weeding.
Weeding. And what are we doing right now?
We are water.
Well, we're going to water. Why don't you get the
After we
hose?
weed.
That would be great. And at the moment, we don't have to weed, but those little sprouts that you saw that are not peas, we might want to weed those later. And the other W's that we're doing right now, and the 5 W's for step 5 of Easy-Peasy, is to watch, Avni, which we are doing. We're watching to see if those sprouts are coming up yet, and sometimes we have to wait, which is another W. So I'm going to have you put your thumb over that hose. There you go. And what does that do to the water?
That makes it go spread everywhere.
It spreads it out, so it's a little bit more gentle, because what do we want? What are we worried about with the seeds if we're not careful?
That they'll break or die.
Yeah, that they'll come up to the top. They'll be exposed by a really hard watering. So this kind of gentle watering soaks all the soil around the seed, but it doesn't expose the seeds because they still need their blanket of soil. So we have watch and water and wait and weed later. Yep. And the last one is called wonder. We're kind of wondering what the heck these seeds are going to do, and what they might create, and what they might grow, and what they might look like. So the last W is wonder, along with your kitty cat jumping at you.
She's wondering what we're doing.
Right? Well, thank you for watering your seeds, and we'll check
Thank you for
in
helping me.
next week. Bye-bye.